What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning. If you're new to this channel, welcome. In these videos, basically what I do in this video specifically, we'll take a look at ADA, the native token of the Cardano blockchain. Today, it's going to be a crash update because a lot of crypto has actually crashed quite a bit, Cardano including. It's down about 10%. We did find support at some levels that aren't too low. All right, this drop hasn't been too bad in all honesty. But apart from that, what I also do in these videos is just some commentary on what's going on and some news around Cardano. Cardano obviously does have some news coming up. We're going to have a hard fork, which is going to improve the blockchain. It really is going to improve it. It's going to decrease transaction costs and it's going to decrease transaction speed, I believe. So that's a great thing, but obviously today we had quite a big drop. We dropped through this major support level at 46 cents. And we found support at the next support level, which is a good thing. This is a support level between 44 and 43.5 cents. It's a very strong historical key level. As you can see, we held that for numerous times over the last months, even when we were really bearish. But right now, I don't think it's looking that great. I mean, if we can actually stay above 43.5 cents for the next like 2 days, then we can actually stay above that. But I think it's more likely that we'll find some support there, but that eventually will just break through to this 42 cents level. And that we will find some more consolidation on top of that. And then Wednesday is a pretty big day for crypto. Because as you can see on myfxbook.com, what we're going to have is we're going to have an interest rate decision from the Federal Reserve again. Which historically always makes crypto move a lot. So depending on mostly what they say at the press conference, we're either going to drop down to 40 cents or we can actually recover back up to 45.5 cents. It really depends. I'll make another update on that when the time comes. But short term, I do expect us to drop down a little bit more, and I can kind of give you my opinion, right? That's also what you're open for. I expect that during those interest rate decisions, I think one of the main causes behind this move was actually that we're expecting a increased interest rate, right? It's definitely going to increase. Now that's obviously bearish. The market circumstances right now in just the world are very bearish for crypto. So I think that's why this correction was needed. However, I think that, I mean, if you take a look at all those economic indicators right now, and if you just have a feel for inflation and what's going on, I really do think inflation is not going to be high as long as the Federal Reserve thought. So what that means is that they're probably in that press conference going to say something about the interest rates not having to increase that much or not for that long, which is both very bullish for crypto and asset markets. And that's why I think that from this 42.5 cents level, we can actually have a rally up to 45.5 and 46 cents. But this is kind of like not really guessing, but it's really about predicting, right? I mean, they could also say that we do need to increase them more. Then we're probably going to drop down to 40 cents. But yeah, so until that time, it's probably going to be relatively quiet after this big drop. But yeah, it's waiting for that. That's the big catalyst this week. And it's going to be very interesting to say the least. So, and apart from that, I mean, in 3 days, Thursday, we'll also have the hard fork, which I'll make a full separate video on. But for now, that's my take on Cardano. So if you do have any questions, feel free to let me know down in the comments. But for now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Take care today, and bye.